A while ago, I created a video called The Most Important Tool in My Craft Room. And recently, the most important tool in my craft room got an update, so I wanted to share that with you. Hi, I'm Jess from JessCrafts.com, and I'm here to help you make the most of your crafty supplies and time. So let's take a look. The most important tool in my craft room is my sketch binder. It's not for everyone, and there's plenty of people who don't like working with sketches at all. But since I do, I find it great to have that really clear source of inspiration. And I originally started with a sketch binder that included sketches from all kinds of different sources around the internet. But then I started creating my own paper busting templates. And so that's what I'm going to talk a little bit more about today. I have my paper busting template binders. I've wanted to create a cover for them for a while because at this point I have 3 binders full, in part because I do use 1-inch binders. I could get a thicker binder and not have as many, but they do get kind of heavy. I also don't usually need to have all of them. Like I can kind of just know that if I'm looking through my 6x6, having a smaller binder could be helpful. And also it just fits better in my storage space. So I wanted a way to kind of tell them apart really easily. So I created my own covers for them. And that's a little bit about what I want to share with you today. So for those who aren't very aware, my template binder allows me to gather all my paper busting templates. A paper busting template tells you how to cut a piece of paper, a piece of pattern paper in various sizes, and then create a card with it. So this is a 6x6 paper busting template for an A2 size card. So this tells you how to cut the 6x6 paper. This tells you what the A2 card should look like with the measurement sizes. All of these templates, all 3 binders worth of templates. So I think at this point, hundreds are available for free at jesscrafts.com. You do have to download them individually. That is not for the faint of heart. I've created them over time. And my files are all individual, till recently. So I understand. But I did start making them in packs. So if you were newer to the binder or newer to the system and you wanted to download a whole bunch of them at one time, I did put them into some template packs in an Etsy shop. So you can purchase packs of them to save yourself time. You can absolutely get them all free. I enjoy offering them for free. It's important for me to keep them for free. But if you do want to save that time, then there's that little bit of paid option for you. So yeah, I have them for 6x6 paper and for A2 cards, but also 5x7, slimline, 6x6. I have some mini slimlines in different sizes, all kinds of different stuff. And the way I sort my binders is by paper size, because that makes sense to me. I look at a paper, I'm like, I want to use this 6x6 paper, and then I'll go pick a card size or something like that to go forward. And so if you wanted, you could also sort them by card size. And at jesscrafts.com, my paper busting templates are sorted by both paper size and card size for you to make it a little bit easier to find what you want and print it out. The packs of them that I created are sorted a little bit more by paper size, but not exactly, because it is, you know, like it's 6x6 for slimline in one pack. Anyway, I created these binder covers, and they are not just for my paper busting templates. So you're going to see my paper busting templates today. And I have one of them as a freebie for you, because I figure most of you just have kind of like one binder where you started gathering all your paper busting templates. So I made this as a freebie for you, and it just says paper busting templates from jesscrafts.com, and then there's the spines. So as you can see, let me take a minute to focus. You can have something on the edge of them as well in case you put them like on a bookshelf. And so it says that, and it has 1-inch, 1.5, 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch. And so every single option in my pack of these has those 5 sizes to choose from. This one is free. Then the rest of the choices are in a inexpensive bundle at Etsy. It's a downloadable thing, so you download and print them. And they do have the paper sizes that I use and I sort them by, but then they also have them individually. So I'll say paper busting templates 6x6, paper busting templates 12x12, paper busting templates A2, paper busting templates 5x7. So that way you could, however you want to sort it, hopefully I've hit the mark. Beyond that though, I also have them where they just, instead of all this, it just says sketches, swatches, card sketches, mailing resources for those of you who like keep a bunch of like addresses and all kinds of things like that together. And I tried to think of some different things that crafters would use. I just kind of put crafty printables because I don't know, I kind of have developed those over time where I print off some, useful measurement guide or something like that. And so you could gather them all into one place. If there's something I missed, please let me know. Maybe I can add some more templates to it. And then there's also, for the back cover, I have one that says, let's get making, because I say that a lot on my YouTube channel. And then I just have one that's blank. So if you like to have a kind of a complete binder, like you want it to be decorated on the back too. If you like this video, here's another video where you can find more ideas for enjoying your crafty time and supplies. Let me know you like this video with a share to your crafty community. Subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next template or tutorial. And if you're interested in the binder covers, the free link, the coupon code for Etsy, the Etsy shop link, it's all there in the video description. See you in the next video. Bye.